Hello everyone, we are excited to tell you that Nocodework has just launched its service offering feature, which is available for you now onwards. What you need to do is you can just log into nocodework.com, come here and update all your details. By this feature, you can provide one-on-one consultation or training sessions to the clients who are looking for it. We are going to market your profile and you will get those consultation sessions. So for that, what you need to do, come here, log into No Code Work. If you're not, if you are new, you can just sign up, click start now, then connect your Google account. Once your Google account is connected, you need to select your time zone in which you are in and then click on save. Once it's saved, you need to provide your availability whenever you are available for consultation, providing consultation sessions. So if I'm available on Sunday and I'm a freelancer, I'll just select the time zone, the timings from what to what I'm available, and then submit. If I'm not available on certain days, I can just not mark it unavailable. Now, the next step you need to do is edit service fee. So if I'm providing a consultation session, I need to provide what are the charges for that. If I'm providing the coaching fee, all I need to provide is once you come here, you need to provide the prices about your consultation session. So, what is your fee? So, let's suppose I take $30 as consultation fee. I will update that. If I provide coaching as well, I will activate it and provide coaching fee as well. It cannot be a free session, it has to be a paid session. So, you need to provide all those details. So, once you come here, you can go to your profile, and we have created this amazing specific dedicated profile section for you. You can come here, you can see your profile, which starts with whatever name. You can edit the name here if you want to, and make it specific to and customize according to you. You can do that, and you can see those sessions here. So client, we will market your profiles. Client will come here, they'll purchase the consultation sessions, and you will get notified. The notifications will come here. So anyone, if a client books a call with you, your bookings will come here. So we are really excited. We want you to come and just update all your bank details, your availability sessions, and your services, and just earn some money.